Hello everyone! Today, in this video, we will draw Halloween-themed doodles together. Transform your Procreate projects with more than 4,000 brushes, fonts, textures, and 3D models available in the Brush app. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen to access them now. Tap Actions, Canvas, Drawing Guide, and Edit Drawing Guide. In the menu, select Symmetry, Vertical. Let's draw a ghost. We'll start with the basic shape and add details. Add the arms and erase extra lines. Draw the eyes and fill them with black. Add folds. Turn off Drawing Assist and draw the mouth. Then fill it with color. Here's our ghost. Hide the ghost layer and create a new one. Turn on Drawing Assist and draw a spider web. Add the webbing. Our spider web is done. Next is a bat. On a new layer, we'll turn on Symmetry and start drawing. Add webbing to the wings. The bat is ready. Let's draw a round candy. Add lines and fill them with black. Add the wrapping ends. We have this candy ready. Now we'll draw a wizard's hat. Start with the basic shape. Add the belt with a buckle. The hat is done. Now we'll draw a spider. Start with an oval, add legs and eyes. Then add tiny hairs. The spider is done. Let's draw a pumpkin. Start with the front slice, then add the side slices. Add the stem. Then draw the eyes and mouth. Our pumpkin is ready. Now the moon. Draw a circle and a smaller circle on a new layer. Erase the overlapping parts and merge the layers. Add craters. The moon is ready. On a new layer, turn on Drawing Assist and draw a potion bottle. Start from the top. Add the cork. Add liquid with bubbles inside and other details. The bottle is done. Next, we'll draw a candle. Start with the basic shape. Draw the wick and flames around it. Add details. The candle is ready. Now, draw a bone. Add details. The bone is ready. Let's draw another spider. Start with an oval and fill it with black. Draw a circle on a new layer and fill it with color. Move it to the center of the oval. With symmetry turned on, draw the legs. Add a web. The spider is ready. Draw a worm. Add segments. Eyes. And a mouth. Done. Let's draw another candy. A long one. Add the ends on both sides. Stripes on the wrapper. And details. The candy is done. Tap Actions, Add Text. Go to Settings, choose a font and make it an outline. Write Happy Halloween. Now we'll start revealing all the previous layers with the doodles. Place them around the text. You can rotate, duplicate, and transform them. Create a new layer and add small details in the empty spaces, such as stars, lines, spirals, crosses, plus signs, and branches. Merge all these layers into one. Create a new layer under the Line Art layer. In the settings of the Line Art layer, choose Reference. Fill the background layer with purple. Start coloring in our doodles. I'll begin with orange for the pumpkin and the text. For each color, I create a new layer under the Reference layer. On the green layer, select Alpha Lock. Use a textured brush to shade with a darker green, then add highlights and volume with a lighter green. Repeat these steps for all the following layers, each time choosing colors that complement the base color. Here are our Halloween doodles. Let us know in the comments which doodle you like the most. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell not to miss our upcoming video lessons. See you!